Okay, you said the other day, uh, YouTube said the other day, so I think I'm going for like 5,000 friend limit. I'm just sitting here and pressing the confirm. And YouTube sent me a letter the other day talking about in like a year I'm gonna have like 1 billion views. So I'm going on this. It looks like I'm going on 5,000 friend limit. So I'm just hitting the confirm button instead. So it's coming in 20 plus, 20 plus. 20, gotta press this like 5,000 times. Anyways, gotta press it like 5,000 times. But take a little break from doing that engine thing, you know. But my hand hurts already. So anyways, it's a short. I'm gonna continue in a minute and stuff.